Welcome to all. Today we will practice some MCQs on National Parks of India, and it is a very important topic for your competitive exams. So let's start. First question is, Jim Corbett National Park is located in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttarakhand and Assam. The right answer option C, Uttarakhand. Next one, Bandipur National Park is located in Assam, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Gujarat. The right answer, Karnataka. Next, Hemis National Park is located in Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Chhattisgarh and Kerala. Hemis National Park. Right answer option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Next, Periyar National Park is located in Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand and Karnataka. The right answer is Kerala. The first national park in India is Kanha Park, Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga National Park and Bandipur National Park. The first national park in India is option B, Jim Corbett National Park. Next, Jim Corbett National Park is established in 1936, 1937, 1938 and 1939. The right answer option A, 1936. Next, the maximum number of national parks in is found in which state? Which state? Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next, the largest national park in India is Jim Corbett National Park, Pench Park, Hemis Park and Kanha Park. The largest national park is Hemis National Park, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, Corbett National Park is famous for deer, tiger, langur and jackal. It is famous for tiger. Kaziranga National Park is famous for tiger, deer, one-horned rhinoceros and wild pig. The right answer is one-horned rhinoceros. It is located in the state of Assam. Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. Next, Neora Valley National Park is located in Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha and Karnataka. Neora Valley National Park is in West Bengal. Singalila National Park is located in West Bengal, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh. The right answer, West Bengal. Currently, the total number of national parks in India is 103, 104, 105 and 106. Currently, there are 106 national parks in India. Next, Manas National Park is located in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Assam and West Bengal. Manas National Park. The right answer is Assam. Next, Valmiki National Park is located in Bihar, Assam, Chhattisgarh and Punjab. The right answer, Bihar. Betla National Park is located in Jharkhand, Kerala, Maharashtra and Nagaland. The right answer, Jharkhand. Now, we will look some important national parks that are very useful for your exams. In West Bengal, these national parks are famous: Jaldapara National Park, বক্সা ন্যাশনাল পার্ক, সিঙ্গানীলা ন্যাশনাল পার্ক, নেওড়া ভ্যালি, সুন্দরবন, very important, সুন্দরবন ন্যাশনাল পার্ক and গরুমারা ন্যাশনাল পার্ক. Next, Tamil Nadu, Annamalai National Park, Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park and Mudumalai National Park. Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi National Park, Nanda Devi National Park, Gobindo National Park, Gangotri National Park, Corbett National Park and Valley of Flowers. It is also very important. Next, Tripura. In Tripura, Bisan National Park. In Uttar Pradesh, Dudhwa National Park. Dudhwa National Park is in Uttar Pradesh. Next, Meghalaya, Nokrek National Park and Odisha, Simlipal National Park. Assam, Nameri National Park, Manas National Park and Kaziranga National Park. Bihar, Valmiki National Park, Jammu and Kashmir, Hemis National Park, Selim Ali National Park. Karnataka, Bandipur National Park, Nagerhole National Park, which is also called Rajiv Gandhi National Park, and Kudremukh National Park. Kudremukh National Park. In Jharkhand, Betala National Park. In Jharkhand, Betala National Park. National Park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Panna National Park and Satpura National Park. Maharashtra, Sanjay Gandhi National Park and Jawaharlal Nehru National Park. In Rajasthan, Keoladeo Ghana National Park. In Kerala, Eraviculam National Park, Anaimudi National Park, Silent Valley National Park and Periyar National Park. So that's all for today.